Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve we cannot process this request at this moment. Please try a bit later problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, tap on app list, scroll down, tap on Lite, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on clear. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.